Good morning and happy Mother's Day to all of the beautiful mothers that are out there. I hope you have a fabulous day today that you share with all of your family and friends. So I'm bringing back to you a meal prep video, and I have a large chicken breast here. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it, but I have a small container of ground beef, and I know I'm going to make a small meatloaf. I have some greens there, and so we're going to bring this menu together. And starters, everything is going to be in the crock pot. I'm going to be trying out this crock pot again from Aldi's to see if it's going to be operable, so I can give the company a definitive answer if it's going to be working or not, because I thought it was not. So we shall see. Okay, family, I'm going to always put my olive oil in the pan. And usually I spray it, but I'm going to start out with olive oil first, because since it's only one piece of meat for now. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my frozen meat in and season. Okay, fam, here are my seasonings. I did grab my cooking spray, my kicking chicken, my garlic powder, and my Badea complete seasoning. I think I may do chicken and yellow rice. So because I'm here, that's the only reason why I'm trying this. And I'm going to go ahead and season this. And like I said, I wanted to try this while I'm at home, because the other day when I was trying to use it, it heated up so fast. And I didn't like that. I just felt like my food may burn. So I'm going to wait until this cooks down a little bit. I am going to add some water to the bottom, and then I am going to go ahead and dice it. Okay, now let's spray the back of it. Remember, the only reason why I spray it is because seasoning adheres to frozen meat. Okay, another thing too, I just thought about, family, that I have tried. People say you cannot bake in a crock pot. Yes, you can. All you need to do is just make sure that the bottom of your container has enough oil on it so nothing will stick. So you would literally have to spray it. Well, I have sprayed it with a cooking spray and use olive oil. So we're going to go ahead and get this started, and I'll check it in an hour. All right, family, we are back with the video of the chicken breast in the crock pot, slow cooker. So all I have done is just sliced it. Doesn't that look yummy? All I did was sliced it, but I am going to cut it into chunks. So I have my pan pot here. I'm going to turn the down to low medium. Half a tablespoon of olive oil to saute my already diced onions and peppers. And these are not frozen because I have to cut them up, and I'm behind. So we're going to go ahead and let that do its thing, and I'm going to be back with my diced chicken. I'm sorry, family. We're going to have chicken Alfredo. Here's my Alfredo sauce that I'm using, and I'm also going to add these vegetables to it. This is broccoli and cauliflower mix. This is your winter blend from Dollar Tree. Okay, here is my cubed diced chicken. So I'm just going to go ahead and add it to the pot. And it smells amazing. I just love the smell of onions and peppers cooking. I've said that before. So we're just going to give this a stir to mix that in. And really everything is already done, family. I just wanted to get them added together. And that's about it. I'm trying to decide if I'm going to add sausage to this, but I don't think I am. Okay, I've just kind of diced the cauliflower and broccoli a little, and I'm just going to drop it in there. I am going to do more, but I just wanted to show you what I was doing. Alright, family, I am going to go ahead and add a beef sausage to this because this is all I have. Let me show you. I need this to last for 2 days, even with sauce. Yes, my family can eat. Alright, family, I just wanted to show you it is on the George Foreman. Yes, I love my Foreman. So I'm just going to grill it and then I'll dice it. Alright, family, I wanted to show you my beef sausage, and I'm going to cube this. Be right back. Alright, family, there's my diced sausage. So in the pot it goes. So this is what it's looking like, and it is still on low, so I am going to stir in my sauce. Be right back. Alright, family, I want to show you how I do my garlic toast. I use this. I spray my bread with cooking spray. I sprinkle this garlic and herb, and I also use Italian seasoning. And that's how I have learned to cook my garlic toast. Here is my bowl of already cooked pasta, and I'm going to show you the finishing touches of the Chicken Alfredo. Okay, here is the finishing touches of the Chicken Alfredo with garlic toast. Doesn't that look yummy? It smells amazing. So if you like my content, please hit the subscribe button. Down below in the comments, go ahead and hit I subscribed. While you're doing that, go ahead and hit the bell notification to where you'll never miss another one of my videos. And with that being said, family, take care, be safe. Let me know when you try this.